Hello people, Stephen Rogers Lim here. Welcome back to my channel and video. This is a figure that I have long been waiting for and have really been anticipating this figure. Kang the Conqueror, Kang the Big Bad. So I am really happy that I can unbox this in front of everyone today, just that I have a bit of a problem with the scotch tape. So as I was saying, I really can't wait to unbox this figure, play with this figure, whatever you call it. It's Kang the Conqueror. I think he was supposed to be, or he is the next big bad after Thanos, if you ask me. So whatever happens to the actor was most unfortunate. Of course, right now we all know that the next big bad is no longer Kang the Conqueror, or Kang and all its variants, or his variants, but it's more of Dr. Doom. So I mean, I don't know about the legal case with or about Jonathan Majors, but I thought he was an excellent, perfect villain, perfect casting for Kang. So I thought it's quite sad that we cannot see him anymore playing Kang. And the worst thing is, the latest news is that, I mean, at the time of me making this video, pardon me there, the latest news is that the girlfriend or the ex-girlfriend or the ex-wife or the ex-partner, whoever you call it, has decided to stop all charges, from what I've read. But anyway, we can't have him anymore now as Kang, because he's replaced by Dr. Doom. Oh my goodness, this is a very different box. Oh, it's over here. So I have to take out the scotch tape here. It's a very unique box, but I must say it's very different from the usual that I know. So I actually have a lot of backlog to the figures that I want to unbox and review and do a comparison of, and yet I want to do this first, even though this came more recently compared to many of my other figures. But I really wanted to unbox this figure. I think most importantly, I really want to take a look at this figure, Kang the Conqueror. Wow, this packaging, this box by Hot Toys is rather different, rather unique. I must say, I haven't exactly seen this kind of translucent, transparent kind of packaging before. A lot of plastic trays here. Alright, green and purple, Kang's color, beautiful if you ask me. I really love Kang as a villain. So this is everything, the box, the boxes, that is the boxes, plastic trays that are in this figure or in this 1/6 scale box set. Feels really new, and I can't seem to take this out. It's rather stuck to the box. Oops, now I know why. There's a cape underneath. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Oops. Oops. So there's a kit there. We should really take this out first, I guess. Alright, many of the things have dropped out, included the helmeted head sculpt. Let me remove this figure slowly. Here it goes. Alright, a quick look at the instructions. So the batteries are included here together with the picking mechanism or tool. Batteries here. So as always, I will be staying at each page or each part of the instructions sheet for a few seconds. So if you need to take a longer look, do go ahead and pause the video. I think there's this part here that talks about a button that dropped off. Alright, oopsie, that's for the instructions for Kang. Alright, so this is everything that is included in this 1/6 scale box set by Hot Toys for Kang, otherwise known as Kang the Conqueror. Alright people, I have come to the end of this unboxing video. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the 1/6 scale toy action figure by Hot Toys of Kang, or otherwise known as Kang the Conqueror from Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantumania. So my next video would of course be a review video of this figure. I hope to catch everyone there, and then at my next video, Stephen Rogers Slim here. Thank you so much for joining me at my video. Take care, goodbye, and as always, don't stop collecting people. See you, take care, bye bye. Alright people, I just want to introduce you to my Instagram account, Stephen Rogers Slim, so you could follow my account for many of the beautiful photos and images of 1/6 scale figures and accessories, or even 1/4 scale figures. So I hope you could follow my Instagram account, Stephen Rogers Slim. I have also created a Facebook group called 1/6 Community OSC. So I'd like to ask and invite everyone to join this Facebook group, this great platform, forum-like discussion together with thousands and thousands of other members who are collectors and fans of 1/6 scale Hot Toys collecting. So we talk about 1/6 scale, 1/4 scale, and the related as well. So the discussion here is rich, great ideas here that is exchanged between collectors and fans, great knowledge, photos, memes, images that are exchanged in this platform. So I'd like to ask and invite everyone to join my Facebook group OSC to get the latest news and updates about 1/6 scale collecting as well. Latest news and updates. So I hope to see everyone on Instagram and on Facebook as well. This has been Stephen Rogers Slim. People, don't stop collecting.